I had some spicy sausage and my lips are like inflamed. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Pam and this is my beauty channel. Today we are going to actually have a few products that I want to try with you guys right now. Okay, so I'm actually going to be trying out the BECCA Blacklight Primer Filter and the BECCA Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And I'm going to be using the shade Cafe. These were actually complimentary from BECCA Cosmetics. And the packaging looks like this. I kind of want to figure out if this is actually 24 hours. Not that I'm going to leave it on 24 hours, but I kind of want to wear it. I will be checking back in with you guys a little later. Like try to film a little later on in the night and keep the foundation on just so I can let you know how it's going. We're also going to be trying out your True Selfie palette by Morphe, and it looks like this. And the inside is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so digging into those greens. I don't know, I might have to change my top. And we're going to be trying out the All I Want 6-piece eyeshadow brush collection. Look at that packaging, guys. It's so cute. It's like a little purse, and then it comes with some paper. Don't need that. And some cute little brushes. And they look like that. So I'm going to be trying these out as well. They look pretty awesome. These were also gifted to me by Morphe. Yeah, you guys, I'm ready to try these out. I'm really excited. And I'm gonna go wet my beauty blender so that we can apply the primer and get right into the foundation first. I already moisturized my face. I applied my eye cream, and we're gonna jump right into using the Blacklight priming filter. So I'm just picking up my Bedelium Tools 946 brush, and I'm picking up 2 pumps of that, and I'm just 1 and 2. Ooh, it looks very glowy. Doesn't look like one of those like just matte primers. And I'm just applying that to my face. This definitely gives you a really nice glow. And again, this is the BECCA Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And this is the shade Cafe. I literally paused because I saw a truck pull up to my house. I'm like, who is it? Who are you? You guys know the distractions are serious when I film in the day. It's crazy. So again, picking up the foundation, I'm going to just kind of apply it in sections, just so I can get, you know, I can get the full coverage of it all. And I'm going to be applying it with a beauty blender. So I'm just spraying. I got 2 pumps the back of my hand. Hopefully this is my shade. And I'm just going to start off over here on the side of my face. Just pressing it. And this color may be a little bit dark for me. But it's okay. I will highlight, and yeah, it'll be okay. Wow, the coverage is bananas, you guys. You see that? It definitely has a fragrance. I don't know, it's like banana. I just want to show you guys the coverage right now. That's crazy. So you guys see that coverage? I know the foundation is definitely dark for me. But again, I'm going to put some concealer. I'm just going to lighten it up. But I just want you guys to see like how much coverage. Honestly, I didn't even put 2 layers of this foundation. I honestly put 1. And look, it's crazy. Okay, I kind of moved you guys up a little bit just so you can see what I'm doing here. And you can check out how awesome this works. And you can check out how the foundation looks on. You guys know this is my little problem area. The foundation is definitely not a matte finish. It's I can't say it's too dewy as well. It's more like a natural finish, I would say. Okay, next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And I think I'm gonna do those off of camera and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, I definitely don't want to block you with my mirror. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. They're a little bit crazy, but we're gonna deal with them. Okay, so now I'm going to go right into, I'm not sure about the amount of fallout from the palette, so we're gonna get right into eyes right now. Okay, so we're gonna prime my eyes as per usual. So we're gonna be using my MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I'm just gonna use it to prime my eyes. Going into the color before. Going in with the fluffiest of all of the brushes, which looks like this. I'm picking up some of my Huda Beauty powder. And I'm just gonna set these areas right here, just in case. I am putting some concealer there later, but I just know that things get crazy sometimes, so I definitely wanted to do that. This brush is a lot more flat than I thought it would be, but whatever. So I'm patting it into the crease, and then I'm just kind of like blending out the edges. So pat and then blend. You guys, I feel like once I move away from planes, I'm gonna miss the sound of planes. Is that weird? I don't hear them all night. Like you would think like you hear them all night being so close to an airport, but first of all, I'm not even that close to an airport. One, I'm about, well, I guess 30 minutes away is pretty close. And two, I don't hear them all night. Like, I mostly hear them in the day. So I'm gonna go in with, I guess a more tapered, fluffy brush now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go into striker pose. I'm just put that right on the outer edge of this. And I'm blending that just on the outer corner, but I'm also bringing it into the crease as well. So you see I'm like right here, and then I'm just bringing it into right here. And I'm not going all the way forward, I'm kind of stopping in the middle of my eye. So I'm picking up my M433 brush and I'm just going to blend out those harsh lines. This brush was actually clean. I don't know why that brown pigment that I used before kind of stained it. Plain number 10, at least, has to be number 10. So I'm gonna go into hashtag after. I'm picking that on a flat shader brush. I'm actually using the Bdellium Tools 775 brush. And I'm picking that up and I'm getting that all over my lid. That's so pigmented, you guys. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I haven't had any trouble so far with it. And I haven't even wet it. I actually want to use that color Artist, and I want to wet the brush just to kind of see kind of pigment that gives us. So I'm picking up that small brush. I'm going to wet it with some Fix Plus. So I'm going into Artist. And I'm putting that just kind of in the first third of the eye, just to give it some dimension. Oh, this color is so bright. Oh, I love it. This is the color I couldn't wait to dig into. When I received this palette, I was like, that color right there. I'm using it. I don't care. Using hashtag throwback, and it's this color. And I'm just kind of putting it right here on top of that hashtag strike a pose. And I'm literally just tapping that in right there. You know, actually, after waiting a bit with the foundation on, I feel like it's actually more of my color now. I did get a little bit of fallout from that green, but nothing crazy. Whatever. It's nothing that concealer won't hide. So I'm just picking up tart shape tape in medium, and I'm putting it right here. Continue, I'm gonna contour using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Same things I always use, guys. Now I'm picking up my Huda Beauty setting powder in Comfa with my beauty blender, and I'm tapping those lines before I even put it on with the opposite side of it, picking up that so I'm using everything like I normally would, meaning the same setting powder, same concealer, everything, just to kind of see the way the foundation and the primer react with my normal routine. So now I'm going back into the 15T Your True Selfie palette, picking up Strike a Pose and Throwback. This little eyebrow looking brush. So it also has a little spoolie on the opposite side. I'm just mixing those two colors together, and I'm just keeping that right at the end of my bottom lash line. And next, I'm gonna go in with the same brush. I'm just wiping it off. And right next to it, I'm picking up After, hashtag After, and hashtag Artist. So I'm picking up After first, and I'm putting that right next to the brown. It's a small smudge brush. That's what I would think, and it looks like that. And I'm going to wet that in and apply Artist. Hashtag Artist, should I say. All the colors in this palette are all hashtags. So cute. I'm just picking up a small brush, and I'm picking up some black eyeliner. And I'm putting that in my waterline. Alright, I'm gonna pick up my NYX matte liner, and I think I'm gonna do an inner wing liner and an outer wing liner, just because I feel like it today. And I'm just gonna do it. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do that, you just let me know, and I'll do it for you. For today's lashes, we're going to be using the Sephora Fringe 04 lashes. You guys already know my lengthening mascara from the beauty counter has been my ultimate favorite. So for me, these make the perfect nude. Okay, so I'm gonna spray my face now with some Fix Plus in Goldie Light, and I gotta figure out what highlight I'm gonna use today. What a surprise. I'm going with my Ofra Naked Tutorials highlight and picking up that gold color, just tapping it in there. And then I'm picking up some of the white one. Ooh, child, that's good. I feel like the actual color matches. When I put it on, it looked a little bit more on the grayish brown side, and now I feel like it matches a lot better. I don't know. I'm gonna be seeing this when I edit the video, so if I'm going crazy, let me know. Does not feel sticky, isn't really getting into my fine lines, because usually this is my problem area, like my laugh lines, I hate them, and like my forehead area, but everything sinks into these forehead lines, okay? But yeah, so far so good. I will be checking back in later. I have to run to the drugstore, I have to cook dinner, and I have to edit. So those are my tasks for the rest of the day. So I should be checking back in around 8. I'm gonna close out the video now, and I'm just gonna give a little update later on. As far as the eyeshadow palette, amazing. You guys, I feel like lime green is just so the thing right now. So it's like, these colors are so pretty, these greens. I can't wait to dig into hashtag Morphe babe. And all the colors blended so nicely. The brush set, it was okay. I do like the fluffy brush, and I do like the small detail brush. Those came in handy. Those were actually really good. So yeah, I will put the price for these items in my description below. I would like to thank BECCA, and I would like to thank Morphe for gifting me with these products. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my video if you do. If you don't like it, let me know why you don't like my video. Hey guys, it is 8:19 at night. I'm already falling asleep. My freaking lashes feel so heavy, but I wanted to check in with you guys how the foundation is holding up. It's been, let me see, I filmed this morning after the gym, so let's say it was about 9 o'clock, and it is 8 o'clock right now. So let's see. So I definitely am getting greasy for sure. I see that. But it looks stay put. Like I told you guys, it has not even like went into my creases. It looks pretty good still. It does not look like I've had it on all freaking day. I am getting a little oily, so that's the only thing. I'm gonna go because I'm exhausted. Bye guys.